We've worked with Canyon Computers for a decade at least, and when the decision came to upgrade to AMR, we were, of course, made the decision that we were going to have Canyon advise and guide us in the process, because there are other firms that, of course, will do that too. But we felt that Canyon's reliability and approachability and good humor was very important in working through what was really a very stressful process. So a lot of tweaking, some late hours, some emergencies, and we've really come through the hard part and are moving very smoothly now.
As an attorney, having mobility with my electronic devices is extremely important for me. I'm not just here in the office all day. There's many days where I'm in court, I'm in mediation, I'm dealing with family matters, and doing what I call workcations, because I don't really get to take vacations as a family law attorney. And so wherever I am, I need to, at a minimum, have an iPhone with me that has access to email, access to the internet. In addition, I usually have an iPad with me and a laptop computer, so no matter what location I'm at, I'm fully connected. As a law firm, we maintain a great deal of confidential information, and we need to know that the computer support services that we have are both cost efficient, available to us 24/7, and it needs to be a firm that we can trust with all of our confidential information. We never even think twice about whether or not we're secure with Aaron Schacht, because we know that we're secure with Canyon Computer Services. And we know that our systems will be up and running, and that if there is a problem, we're going to get very quick service and get it fixed right away.
What I love about Aaron, I mean, there's many things that I love about him. First of all, every one of us know Aaron very well. I mean, there's a friendship there, there's a relationship there. So we could have things like a computer is frozen, or we need to add somebody to the server, or it could be 10 different things that we need help with from an IT standpoint. And so it is literally just either an email or a phone call, and I would say within 30 minutes, if not before, we've heard back from Aaron, and he has given us an estimated time when he's going to be there, or somebody from his company is going to be there to respond to what we need.
I have to be efficient in doing the marketing and the sales at the Academy, and Aaron has always been very helpful with us by coming and saying, if I need a product or I need something to work, he will come in and make sure it's all working right. And there will be times when I could probably figure it out, but making a quick phone call or having them remote log in has just been critical to, as far as I'm concerned, my success. They don't try to take over. They do what's in the best interest of everyone. So, for example, I love the Apple products. My boss loves the Dell. And no matter what those products are at this company, if they're doing their job, they can make everything work together. So that's been great with Canyon Computers.